Hello everyone, today let's solve the problem number 1757, recyclable and low fat products, right? So what the question states here, we have been given a table named products. You can clearly see here, we have been given a table named products with the following columns. One is product ID and another one is low fats and another one is recyclable, right? So we have a table named products with the following columns: product ID, low fats and recyclable. So product ID is unique identifier for each product, and this one low fats is nothing but indicates whether a product is low fat. Y for S and N for no, right? And recyclable is nothing but it indicates whether a product is recyclable. Nothing but Y for yes and N for no, right? So what is our main task here? We have to write an SQL query to find all the product IDs of the products that are both low fat, nothing but in case low fats must be equal to Y, yes, and recyclable, nothing but recyclable equals to Y as well. Means low fats as well as the recyclable both has to be yes or Y in this case, right? So I hope this is clear. Let's move on with the first example here. So the first example here is we have the product table here, right? You can clearly see here. We have the product table here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have this one low fats and recyclable mentioned as well, right? So the product ID here 1 and 3 matches here. So only 1 and 3 are both low fat and recyclable here. So output has to be this one. We have to write the this one MySQL query for this one. So when both this one low fats as well as recyclable has to be yes in this case, right? So I hope this is clear. So let's discuss the approach first, then write the query, right? So here let's discuss the approach first. First one is filtering data. So we need only products where low fats equals yes and recyclable equals yes as well. Nothing but here product is low fat and product is recyclable as well in this case. So in this case, the second part, we are selecting the required column. Means we only need to return product ID for the filtered products, right? So we need to return only the product ID for the filtered product. So we have already seen the example one. So applying the query to the given products table here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 we have low fats. Here in this case we have S and S recyclable, and in this case as well we have S and S. So we need to return so output has to be 1 and 3 here. You can clearly see 1 and 3. So output here the matching product ID is 1 and 3 in this case. So final output has to be 1 and 3 product ID. So here let's see this one quickly. How can we write the query? So here let's start writing the query. First what we will do, we will select the product ID column to return only the product IDs. So I'll just give here select product underscore ID. This is fine. So we are fetching the data from the products table, right? So I'll just give here on this case, I'll just make use of from the products table. So third one here is we are filtering the products that are low fat. So I'll just make use of where here low fats equals Y. This is fine. So the final step here is we will further filter the products that are recyclable. I'll just make use of and here. So here I'll just recyclable. So recyclable, I'll just delete one A here. Recyclable equals Y. This is fine. So this is it for the query. So let me format the document once. Where is the? So this is fine. So let me hit the submit button. I hope this works. Let's see. So here you can clearly see all the test cases are getting passed. Means the query works absolutely correct on this case. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.